These are mini clocks, mini wall clocks. They are souvenir items. These items are going to one of our customer. These are souvenir gift items that you can use for your events, either your birthday party, your wedding, uh, any events you are doing, any occasion you are doing. They are very beautiful and portable. I'll get yours today. Go to our website easybynigeria.com.ng to place your order. This set is going to Bayelsa and it comes, they are all in gold, different designs. This is another design. They are beautiful, portable. Kindly get yours today.